Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you some ideas on how to decorate your coffee table for spring and even summer season if you wanted to decorate it now and have it last until fall. So I'm starting off with this very first one, and I like to use trays to decorate most of the time. I do share one or two without a tray, but usually I have my stuff sitting on a tray. This first one that I'm sharing, I used throughout the spring season, and then I also kept it for the summer season because I felt that it was good enough for both. I am so ready to be starting decorating for spring, even though if you look outside my window, we had gotten so much snow last night. I think we have gotten more snow last night than we have all of winter up until now. So I am dying to decorate for spring, like I said, but not quite yet. So whenever I decorate, I like to use different textures, different colors, and things like that to kind of go along with the theme, the season or whatnot. And sometimes I will just use straight out greenery because it can last me throughout several seasons, especially spring and summer, because I feel like I like the bright colors and a lot of green colors during that season. So sometimes I will incorporate those bright colors with the greens, and sometimes I will just keep them with green. As you can see here, I have glass, I have jute, I have the greenery and wood. So lots of different textures, and I love the way that works. And whenever I am stuck and not sure how to decorate, I will use inspirations from Pinterest, and this one was actually a video that I shared, and it was a Pinterest inspired coffee table. So I found a picture that I really liked, and I tried to recreate it. And that's a lot of the times how a lot of my decor kind of has a starting point. It's based on something that I liked online, and then I try to recreate it with items that I have at home.
supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this.
For this one, if you've been following along, you know I like using the truck a lot of the times now in my living room, and I tend to switch out the items that are in the bed of the truck. For this one, I decided to share with you how I decorated it for Easter season, because Easter is part of spring, and I thought I'd give you those ideas as well.
I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do.
Next two that I'm sharing are definitely great for spring, but can totally go into the summer as well, because they almost have a bit of a coastal feel. So one will be on a tray, and then the next one will be without a tray. And for me, it's very interesting to see also over the years how my decor has evolved, or maybe it has gotten worse. So you be the judge of that. Let me know what you think. These last two that I'm sharing, especially the last one that I will be sharing, I have done a long time ago.
I just don't know what to do if you go.
Well, I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I can also do mental ideas and all sorts of other things. So let me know if this is the type of video that you would like to see again. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in my next one. Thanks for watching.
I think it's